is the house at the corner of Brownwood Road and Washington. The police fucking blockaded and everything to get some gas. The only gas on Long Island. You hear the train? I go on Maria right now in the train. You want some gas? You gotta wait on this long ass line. I've been here like 45 minutes. They already turned away mad people who try to cut in line. So they got it working, right? We're like 2 cars away from getting a full tank of gas. Because we got no gas. No fucking gas. Dude, keep going. Keep going. Nope, keep going. Get online, motherfucker. He's like, what you mean get online? Oh man, she was upset. That happy because he got that gas.